Machita namagrotman akho umuntu ungaziyo. Kaizer Chiefs ikwi-market iyahunter for new players ahead of next season to improve the squad. Kaizer Chiefs for next season ngomuntu ayazi lo way. Nansi scenario for wena. Zeziphi players ongazisayina from each team apha kwi-Betway Premiership. I-team apha kwi-Betway Premiership zi-16 ne. Every player ongayisayina a-1 from each team. Mina ndizakunika yami list from the 16 teams Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs if can sign one player from each team. Because 15 teams zikwi-Betway Premiership ngaphandle ko-Kaizer Chiefs, excluding Kaizer Chiefs, Betway Premiership ina 15 teams. Which player would you sign one from each team? 15 teams Betway Premiership besides Kaizer Chiefs. These are players who want to sign a1 from each team. I'm going to give you a list from number 1 to number 15 teams Betway Premiership. One player to Kaizer Chiefs if you can sign which players. I'm going to give you a list Number 1, Sundowns. Which player Kaizer Chiefs in I sign from Mamelodi Sundowns? Firstly, sayazi but Sundowns ayithengisi players kuzima uthenga players from Sundowns. So ujonga who's available. Who's available Sundowns? Sipho Mbule talent and experience proven Betway Premiership, but the problem is discipline into that you can be managed. So Mbule futhi ila way contract yakhe Sundowns iyaphela but une 1 year option but iyaphela contract yakhe ngoJune. Sundowns expected for ba release Mbule because Mbule disciplinary problems zakhe akasolve. He suspended the Sundowns at the start of the season, and then January he was sent on loan to Sekhukhune United. Wahlala pha, and then Sekhukhune United release Mbule because of disciplinary problems back to Sundowns, which is why Sundowns expected for ba release Mbule be available on a free Kaizer Chiefs opportunity. So from Sundowns Sipho Mbule. Team number 2 as things stand, Orlando Pirates. Which player to sign from Orlando Pirates based on availability? The striker uZakhele Lepasa. Team number 3, Stellenbosch. Which player should Kaizer Chiefs sign from Stellenbosch? The left back Fawaz Basadine. Number 4, Sekhukhune United. Which player from Sekhukhune United? The man in form. Otherwise, I would say Uvuyo Letlapa, left back, top quality. Benthethe ngaye last week apha kule channel. But uLetlapa linked ne move to overseas to France. Ela singalibali support i-channel bafethu nje nishaye u-like apha ezantsi okanye nishaye subscribe. U-YouTube akafuna abantu ababukela nje funeka bekhona into oyenzayo bhuti. I-80% abantu bayayincanywa le channel bayibukela every week but kuse umuntu acofa subscribe okanye kuse alike. Bekhona uyenzayo bhuti ungabukeli nje cofa nje into zabelungu man watch bafethu. And I've already said Basadine from Stellenbosch. So left back Lepahla is out. So winger Mr. Inform Keletso Maghalwa, former Sundowns, so expert proven quality Betway Premiership. Maghalwa, experience at big club, can deliver at Kaizer Chiefs. Winger, right winger or left winger. Team number 5 TS Galaxy. Which player from TS Galaxy? I would first say attacking midfielder, former Kaizer Chiefs player, Puso Titejani, number 10. Problem, I wouldn't say Umchita because Kaizer Chiefs, the pressure and expectations Kaizer Chiefs won't go. No players under the age of 25. I say him. No players under 25 Kaizer Chiefs signings next season because the pressure expectations is too much from young players. Kaizer Chiefs need a proven quality plus players and experience. So therefore, striker TS Galaxy. One striker, Gutsenan Zamovic. Umchita proven quality and scorer 8 goals. Team number 6, AmaZulu. AmaZulu ndingathi mna ubayanda Tabete attacking midfielder, but Ayanda Tabete youngster. Kaizer Chiefs pressure and expectations, no time for youngsters next season. Funa say players is maturity and proven experience ngizokwazi ukuhandlisha the expectations and the pressure. So ngubani? Tshephang Moremi, a winger to Kaizer Chiefs. Number 7, Polokwane City, obvious, Ozwina Police. 23-year-old, inexperienced, a Bafana International, a proven goal scorer and a creator. Ozwina Police to Kaizer Chiefs. Number 8, from Chippa United, a goalkeeper, Darren Johnson. 9, player from Marumo Gallants, team number 9. Central midfielder, quality experience. So midfielder Edgar Manaka, top quality experience, all the experience in the world. Central midfielder Edgar Manaka to Kaizer Chiefs. Team number 10, Richards Bay. Richards Bay inequality young stars, but as I said in video, video, Kaizer Chiefs are in a scarce say young stars. Pressure and expectations is too much. Need a proven quality. Number 10, from team number 10, Richards Bay. Experienced central defender, Mr. Captain, Simpiwe Mcineka, central defender. Especially Kaizer Chiefs, is likely to part ways with abantu abafana no Zita Kwinika. Number 12, Magesi FC. Which player to Kaizer Chiefs? Central midfielder, Motsi Matima. Ntaba experience, proven quality, Betway Premiership. Teaming number 13, Gulok, Golden Arrows. Which player to Golden Arrows? Golden Arrows in a promising youngsters. But it's a situation in Kaizer Chiefs, if you proven quality. Central midfielder, Golden Arrows, proven experience, over them saying in Ndwandwe, top quality. Number 14, teaming number 14 is SuperSport United. A player to Kaizer Chiefs, situation in Kaizer Chiefs, if you proven quality and experience. Lebohang Mabo, a player Sundowns, but it's a contract appel in Sundowns. At the moment, you SuperSport United. Versatile player, as a central midfielder, central attacking midfielder, as the right back as well. Lebohang Mabo, SuperSport United to Kaizer Chiefs. Team number 15, Cape Town City. Cape Town City in a best youngster in South Africa. Emily Witboy, but it's experience. Yatinga Kaizer Chiefs. Experience situation, proven experience, mature player. Emily Witboy, expectations, the Kaizer Chiefs, the pressure is going to be too much for a player in 18 years old. For central defender, Cape Town City, top quality, top experience, Nathan Fasika, DRC International. So now it's about 15 players, Kaizer Chiefs, you sign from each club, keep it to a Premiership. Whereas these players are 15, you sign one from each club from the Premiership. But no comments by Kaizer Chiefs expected for Banksama improve his squad next season. The pressure is on. Most players are partly list. Kulapho Kaizer Chiefs idinga players khona. Central midfield, wingers, and striking line. Kaizer Chiefs idinga players, especially up. In list yam, mostly central midfielders, wingers, plus the central attacking players like which is number 10, central attacking midfielder, or center forward, striker, which is where Kaizer Chiefs need a players corner. As bandishela pakle list, zikhona players as great potential as young players, but Kaizer Chiefs siyibonile ba say young stars ezine talent Kaizer Chiefs kangazikwazi umelana nepressure and expectations. Situation club, ba say club ifuna ubuyisa iglory, ifuna ukucompete Africa, ifuna owina titles next season. So situation in Kaizer Chiefs, for the next 2 seasons, Kaizer Chiefs supposed by ingasani players younger than 25 or 24, because it's a situation in Kaizer Chiefs, a proven experience, players is ready to perform to highest level, and it's a Zguazo expectations and pressure Kaizer Chiefs, but I say pressure to win titles. Kaizer Chiefs ingasayina ilawe youngsters again, maybe after 2 or 3 seasons. I say win 8 titles, aphinda yabuela to the top of South African football. The environment Kaizer Chiefs situation ayikho grand for the players as young Kaizer Chiefs. Sayibona sayidamage ezayo player efana noMduduzi Shabalala. Yazi ibhola yaqonda ibhola. Asoze ukuthi uMduduzi akana talent. UMduduzi Shabalala light any talent, attacking midfielder any talent umchana. But the situation Kaizer Chiefs yenza idamage kumjita. Umchana akana confidence, and the worst thing uyidingayo ungafuna uyibona youngster is youngster ingana confidence. Pressure expectations the Kaizer Chiefs, it was too much for his young shoulders. Same thing you can say about Samkelo Zwane. Same thing you can say about Mfundo Vilakazi. Same thing you can say about Wandile Tuba. Wandile Tuba, yena umchana akayilose ilawe confidence yakhe, but soon Kaizer Chiefs, if Kaizer Chiefs iyaqhubeka rely on youngster efana Wandile Tuba, naye umchana izodamageka development yakhe. So this is not the time Kaizer Chiefs mama sign young players. I send the big fan of youngsters, but if he has a channel, I'm big fan of youngsters. But situation Kaizer Chiefs, don't put pressure on young shoulders.